Welcome back to the Autocrafters, where horsepower meets adventure and where we take you deep into the machines that define both rugged capability and modern innovation. Today we're going back to a legendary nameplate that has been reborn for a new era, the 2025 Isuzu Trooper. A vehicle once loved by off-road enthusiasts, adventurers and families alike, the Trooper is making a bold return in 2025 with a fresh design, upgraded performance and a suite of new features that aim to blend its iconic heritage with future-forward technology. In this in-depth review we'll cover every corner of this reborn SUV, from its bold exterior design and muscular stance to its cabin comfort and technology suite, from raw off-road performance and engine choices to the unique selling points that separate it from its rivals. Whether you're an adventurer chasing trails, a family needing reliable space, or simply someone who appreciates a durable, dependable SUV with a legendary badge, this video will break down exactly what makes the 2025 Isuzu Trooper a serious contender. So buckle up, because the Trooper is back and it's tougher, smarter and more versatile than ever. From the front you'll notice the upright grille with bold horizontal slats, a nod to the original Trooper of the late 80s and 90s, but now sculpted with a modern interpretation that integrates LED matrix headlights and dynamic daytime running lights. The squared-off stance makes the Trooper look unapologetically tough, standing apart from crossovers that lean too much toward sleek city styling. The hood features sharp creases that not only add to aerodynamics but also convey muscularity. Down low, a skid plate-inspired front bumper signals off-road intent, while air curtains along the sides help with airflow efficiency. Move to the side profile and the tall greenhouse immediately stands out. Isuzu knows adventurers need visibility, and the Trooper delivers with large side windows, short overhangs and prominent fender flares. Strong character lines flow along the body, and available 18 or 20-inch alloy wheels with chunky all-terrain tires complete the rugged yet premium appeal. At the rear, vertically stacked LED taillights, a tailgate-mounted spare wheel option and a wide opening hatch continue the theme of function-first adventure readiness. Customers can even opt for a dual-tone roof rails rated for heavy gear and side steps, cementing the Trooper's expedition-ready vibe. Step inside and you'll find that the Trooper has evolved from the utilitarian cabins of the past into a more refined, tech-driven and family-friendly space. The dashboard blends rugged horizontal themes with modern digital touchpoints. Front and center is a 12.3-inch infotainment display running Isuzu's updated UI, supporting wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. A second 12-inch digital driver cluster delivers customizable information, from navigation maps to off-road gauges like incline differential lock status and tire pressures. Materials are durable but comfortable, with soft touch surfaces on the dash and armrests and wipe-friendly water-resistant seat fabrics available for adventure-focused trims. Higher trims like the Trooper Premium and Adventure X bring leather upholstery, ventilated and heated seats, and even an optional panoramic sunroof. Seating is flexible, offering both 5-seat and 7-seat layouts, making it family-friendly. Cargo capacity is impressive, with up to 1,900 liters of flat load space when the rear seats are folded, perfect for camping gear, bikes or overlanding equipment. Under the hood produces around 190 horsepower and 450 Nm of torque, tuned for towing and long-distance efficiency. Known for reliability, it's the engine most adventurers will trust. A more powerful option with 250 horsepower and 600 Nm of torque, capable of towing up to 3,500 kilograms. Perfect for heavy-duty work and serious overland setups. Targeted at urban buyers, this delivers 220 horsepower and 350 Nm of torque, paired with a 48V mild hybrid system for smoother power delivery and slightly improved fuel economy. Announced for late 2025, pairing the 2.0 turbo petrol with an electric motor to deliver around 300 horsepower and an estimated 40 miles of pure EV range, designed for eco-conscious explorers. Transmission choices include a 6-speed manual for purists and a 10-speed automatic for smoother highway and off-road use. Of course, the heart of the Trooper is its 4x4 system. Isuzu equips it with a shift-on-the-fly part-time 4WD low-range transfer case, locking differentials and multiple terrain modes: sand, mud, rock and snow. Ground clearance measures at 235 mm with an approach angle of 32 degrees, departure of 28 degrees and water wading depth of 800 mm. On road, the 2025 Trooper surprises with refinement. The ladder frame chassis is reinforced with high-strength steel, paired with an independent double wishbone front suspension and a 5-link rear suspension with coil springs. The result is better ride comfort than the old Trooper models while still retaining toughness. Noise insulation has been improved significantly. The cabin is quieter thanks to laminated glass and sound-deadening materials. Steering is hydraulic-assisted but tuned for stability, giving a confident feel on highways and rough terrains. The 2025 Isuzu Trooper is not just a comeback, it's a revival of an icon with modern relevance. It blends old-school toughness with new-age technology, offering buyers an SUV that feels just as at home on the school run as it does tackling rocky trails or long-distance expeditions. For adventurers, it's a trustworthy partner. For families, it's a safe and spacious SUV. And for heritage lovers, it's a nostalgic badge reimagined for a new generation. In a world where SUVs often blur into crossovers, the Trooper proudly stands apart. Thanks for watching, and drop your thoughts in the comments. We'd love to hear them. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss our deep dives into the latest cars shaping the automotive world.